I don't know, it just kind of fell out. How much is this gonna cost?
We won't know till Bubba takes a look up in the attic. Go take a look, see, Bubba.
This is the switch for the fan. I'm afraid it might be dangerous. You think you can get done today?
Well, these things can take a little bit of time.
How about a skylight?
They're very modern. We prefer cash.
Don't let hiring a contractor be a frightening process. At Zambuki.com, you can hire dependable contractors in a few easy steps.
It was just a light switch.